Are we live? You good? Should I just introduce myself? Alright. I'm Zach. This is my story. Welcome to Project S550. I've always had an infatuation with just cars. It started with just domestic cars and just like watching them drag on TV, and from there on it just kind of grew into this sort of obsession. About like 2 years ago or so, at the start of COVID, I got this addiction of just filming car meets, racing, and just having fun. I had some scary moments where like I thought that was a good idea at the time. Realized that I need to step away from what I'm doing because I'm getting carried away.
Wanna go? 3, 2, 1, go!
I think now, after about like a year and a half of just maturing, and taking a step away from everything, I'm finally ready to come back. I can't wait for everyone to see what I have planned. We're gonna do it the right way this time. It's gonna be sick.